Dear friends, welcome to 50 indicators. It is easy to make money. It is easy to make money if we keep learning. It may not be directly proportionate, but it is very much proportionate to our learning. More we learn about this market, more this market helps us to make money. There is enough money out there for all of us. If we are ready to learn the ways and means to make money, we can make as much money as we wish. There is no doubt in that. We can make as much money as we wish if we learn. If you have any doubt, if you need any assistance in learning, please feel free to call me on 93726-72102. I shall be pleased to assist you. Let us get back to the brass tacks. These are the important charts. The first one is the important indicators of all Nifty 50 stocks as of yesterday. First page is Adani Enterprises to Coal India. Second page is Coal India to ICICI Bank. Third page is IndusInd Bank to Reliance. And fourth page is Power Grid to Wipro. Then we come to important EMAs. Believe it or not, EMAs play very vital role in positional trading. Once the EMAs start crossing 5-day, 10-day EMA, that is the closing level of any underlying crosses 5-day, 10-day EMA and starts moving up, it is sure shot by time. Of course, any indicator could be wrong 20%, 25%, 30% of the time, but it is right more than 70% of the time, and that is enough for you to make yourself a millionaire. Choice is yours. This is the first page of EMAs, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. This is the fourth page, SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. This is the levels. Whenever we are trading, we must respect the levels. If we have bought at a particular level, one level lower is the support. If it goes below that level, that means our trade is wrong. We better accept it and take care. So these are the pivot, support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks for tomorrow. First page is Adani Enterprises to Coal India. Second page is Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. Third page is Infosys to Reliance. Fourth page is SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. Nifty and Bank Nifty are included here. Now, you see, this is the RIL's day chart for last 6 months. If you see how beautifully RIL is a very important component of the benchmark index Nifty. You see how the RSI starts giving buy signal here, and RIL, Reliance Industries Limited, starts moving up, and here the RSI starts giving a sell signal, and see how it started coming down. So if we start following the buy and sell signals of the right indicators, we can roll in money. It's up to you whether you want to make money and how much you want to make money. If you need any assistance, feel free to get in touch with me. I shall always be available. It's a pleasure to be of assistance to you. Before my saying goodbye, let me remind you, please watch all our earlier videos, don't forget to watch, subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.